Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Rich with a very special unboxing of a genuine Sea-Gull Tourbillon. So let's get into it. So I did remove some of the plastic around the case in the interest of saving time, but I did leave the plastic on around the clasp and on the back of the case. So this is a genuine Sea-Gull Tourbillon. And one way you can tell the difference between a real tourbillon versus a tourbillon style watch is the cage rotates while the hairspring oscillates, versus a look-like tourbillon will only have the spring oscillating, and you can see the cage rotating and doing its thing. Just a real work of art. So whatever images or information we see is not going to do this particular watch justice, because in person this is just a stunning watch. Genuine guilloche on the dial, not printed. And I will say that, you know, Sea-Gull definitely has a cult following, right? But then you get into an entirely different level when you're talking about the high-end Sea-Gull with a tourbillon like this and at a price point like this. And I would also add that I think you have to be a very secure person, a really confident person to own a Sea-Gull, especially if you're going to spend this kind of money on a tourbillon, versus, say, a Grand Seiko owner. Because that Grand Seiko owner may come across hearing things like, oh, well, that's just a glorified Seiko, or it's just a Seiko. Entirely different when you're talking about a Sea-Gull because of its origin. Sea-Gull is China's premier, biggest, and most legitimate watchmaker. So, you know, I just wanted to touch on that, and we'll get more into that information later. And speaking of information, there is not a lot of information regarding Sea-Gull in the United States. So hopefully I'll be able to bring you guys some great information and a lot of education when I'm talking about this watch. It will be a very comprehensive review because it definitely merits that. But for now, this is more of a glimpse of a watch that I'm really excited to talk about in details, along with Sea-Gull as a company, and bring you guys some useful information on that. But in the meantime, I will leave you with this. I think Sea-Gull just might offer the best customer service in the entire industry. Yep, I kid you not. Thanks for joining me, guys, and I'll see you soon.